In this video, we're going to talk about SDG number 1, No Poverty, and poverty in all its forms everywhere. What is poverty? Poverty is hunger. Poverty is lack of shelter. Poverty is being sick and not being able to see a doctor. Poverty is not having access to school and not knowing how to read. Poverty is not having a job, is fear for the future, living one day at a time. Poverty has many faces, changing from place to place and across time, and has been described in many ways. Most often, poverty is a situation people want to escape, so poverty is a call to action for the poor and the wealthy alike, a call to change the world so that many more may have enough to eat, adequate shelter, access to education and health, protection from violence, and a voice in what happens in their communities.
We will compare Suriname, the Netherlands, and India with each other. Suriname, one of the smallest countries in South America, is also one of the poorest. Nearly 1 out of every 2 people in Suriname are impoverished. Economically, Suriname is heavily dependent on exporting commodities, namely oil and gold, for revenue. Mining is the main source of employment. The drop in global oil prices dealt a major blow to Suriname's export-driven. Also, Alcoa, a major USA aluminum company, ended its operation after 100 years of activity. By 2016, the SRD lost a great deal of value and purchasing power. The Netherlands. In total, 2.5 million people out of 17 million live below the poverty line in the Netherlands. That is 14% of the population, according to a new report. But despite the economic crisis, this is only an increase of 1% over the past 5 years. The figures are higher than other regions, which says around 70.6% of people are living below the poverty line. The Netherlands also faces many problems such as child poverty. The poverty rate in the Netherlands is relatively low compared to many other countries in the world. India. 2/3 of people in India live in poverty. 86.8 million of the Indian population lives on less than $2 a day. Over 30% even have less than $1.25 per day available. They are considered extremely poor. This makes the Indian subcontinent one of the poorest countries in the world. Women and children, the weakest member of Indian society, suffer the most. Although India has one of the largest economies in the world, only a small percentage of the people are very rich. The majority of people in India are still living in abject poverty.
Keep in mind the bubble charts. The bubble charts graphic we are going to present shows the poverty rate in the compared countries. Each bubble is a country. The side means the extreme poverty. Pink represents India. Green represents Suriname. Yellow represents Netherlands, who is very small in the graphic because there the poverty rate is very minimum. The data in India starts. The data from Suriname starts in 1999. You don't see any movement when you look at Suriname because there is no data of Suriname. In 1999, like 55.7% of all people in Suriname live in poverty, and that's almost half of Suriname. When you look at Netherlands, the data for Netherlands starts in 2004, and it remains the same. Not too much of steadiness or drop. This is for the video. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching.